Okay, hello guys. This is my first class, and in this class I'm going to teach you how to convert a simple PSD design into a web page by using HTML and CSS. This is the most basic language actually to do any kind of website. Let me show you something. If this is the website, this is a basic website here. So this is a basic website. If you go to the backend, if you see the source code here, I'm using the Firebug here, so you'll be see this option, inspect the element here. Then all of this, you see all of this code here, all of these are actually it is called HTML. And in the right side, if you see this one, let's say it's the design. These are called the CSS actually. These are actually used for designing the main skeleton actually. You can tell them as a flesh of a body actually, and HTML is actually the bones actually. So that's basically basic HTML website that looks like actually. So let me start with the design first. Let me start with the code first, in where we will work actually. So to do coding, I use mainly Dreamweaver actually, because it has great flexibility. All this option it has. So I mainly use the Dreamweaver, but often use the Notepad++ as well. So this is the Notepad++. This is the free one, so you can use this one for your work, but this one is the best. I have learned coding using the Dreamweaver because it has code suggestion. The code suggestion comes here, so that's pretty easy for someone who is just learning actually. So that you better understand the code structure, let me start with something the basic. If you start with the Dreamweaver, it will have the basic option already built in the file actually. Suppose if you want to start creating an HTML, just click on the HTML. Now you see that it has some basic code already added there, so the task get faster, or someone can build a website easily within faster time. So that's the basic code added already there. But as this is the first class, so I need to make you understand that what this code mean actually. So what a basic HTML file looks like. So there's the example here, but there's some extra option here that is not actually necessary, not that important here. So that is why I want to start with a basic file like the Notepad++. This will have a basic or it will have nothing actually here. So you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. Okay, so the HTML starts with a called HTML. This is the tag starts with the HTML, and then the web page ends with the same kind of thing actually, HTML. Now let's save this one. Although there's some other thing I need to be added, but I want to save this file as well I want to save this file at first actually, so we can save whatever we write here. So just let's save this. So let's save this. Let me save this one in the, I've created a file here, class 1 PSD file. Let's say create a folder here. So let's say first project, then go to here, and then the first page of your website needs to be named index actually, so that is why I'm naming it index. And then the file tab, you need to select HTML. So here's the HTML, hypertext markup language. Just select this one and save this one. Okay, so this is the HTML, starts here, ends here. Then you need to also add the, it's called head of a website. The head needs to be in here. Then inside head you need to add a thing that is called title, and title will be in here as well. So basically we have HTML in here. All of these elements will be inside here. Okay, so HTML will be starts here, ends here, and then head inside here. I'm going to describe these things, that which part of the website actually they are. So this one, and then you need to create the, or add the, write the body like this, and then body also needs to be in at the very bottom of the web document. Okay, so just we just saved this one. Let's see how does that look like. We just saved the index.html here in the first project, and let's see just how does that look like. Just click on this one. Remember that HTML file opens with a web browser, or you can open with any coding view or any software to just view the code. To view the design, you can just simply double click on this one, or just drag and drop to the browser. Okay, so this is the browser, Firefox browser I'm using here. So here you see there's nothing actually, it's totally blank. So let me show you, or let me explain you what does actually all these things means. So this one, the top one, it is called the title actually. The title, the title, whatever we write here, that will appear in the top tab here.